To download the Best Places Nightlife data, start by visiting the Best Places website. This website provides comprehensive information about various cities and towns across the United States, including data on nightlife. First, navigate to the Best Places homepage and click on the Find a Place tab. This will allow you to search for a specific city or town. Enter the name of the city or town you are interested in and select it from the search results. Once you have selected a city, you will be taken to a page with an overview of the city, including demographic information, cost of living data, and other relevant details. To find nightlife data, click on the Quality of Life tab and then select Recreation from the drop-down menu. On the Recreation page, you will find information about the city's nightlife scene, including the number of bars, clubs, and other entertainment venues. To download this data, look for a link or button that says Download Data or Export to CSV. Clicking this link will allow you to download the nightlife data in a spreadsheet format. If you are unable to find a download link, you can also try using the website's data export tool. This tool allows you to select specific data points and export them to a spreadsheet. To use the data export tool, click on the Data Export tab and select the nightlife data points you are interested in. Then, choose a file format, such as CSV or Excel, and click the Export button. It is also important to note that some websites may require you to create an account or log in before you can download data. If this is the case, follow the prompts to create an account or log in, and then proceed with downloading the nightlife data. In conclusion, downloading Best Places nightlife data is a straightforward process that involves visiting the Best Places website, searching for a city, navigating to the Recreation page, and clicking the download link. By following these steps, you can easily access valuable information about a city's nightlife scene and use it to inform your decisions.